It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? This is a stupid way to start a video, especially an automotive one, with Mr. Rogers. I mean, people my age will know who Mr. Rogers is. It's who we grew up with, and anybody less than probably, what, 35 years of age have no idea what I'm talking about. But anyways, welcome to an episode of Lamborghini TV, and today we finally get the car back on the road. It's been down for about a month with brake issues. My brake pads were shot. So the first thing we gotta do, we gotta take the, we gotta loosen off the wheels, get the car up in the air, jack the car jack the car up. And dad joke, forget it. Oh, my phone's going off. Oh, look at me, I'm important. Let's see who's texting me. Let's see how important I am. We got, oh, my cousin. We got Frank messaging me. Don't look at my bald spot. Fucking 40 this year. Bullshit. All right, so I took the wheel off. It's pretty rusty and looks like shit. The old brakes don't look that bad, but I bet it's one of them because it started doing this weird grinding. And so it's, you know, probably not this one, but one of them is probably worn out, or I just don't know what the problem is. Yeah, you see, there's the one Allen bolt, and then there's one below it right there as well. And off it comes. There we go. There, I got the caliper off. They're actually not that bad. Something's causing that grinding noise. I'm gonna change him anyways. He's probably old as fuck, but. See, that's how easy it is to take a pad off. I do actually want to paint these calipers, just not today, because I want to drive my car. That does the trick. Over here maybe. I would put you up here, but then you're gonna look at my fucking bald spot. That's not gonna happen. Oh, look, what about this? Look at this. Boom. How's that? And tilt you down. There we go.
Son of a bitch, Paul, why didn't you just go home? That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me! Suck my...
Oop. I'm wrecking shit just to try a video. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the rotor back on and then put the caliper back on. Now with these rotors, you gotta put a lug in because you can see there's no studs in these one. There's a stud right here though. Stupid joke. But yeah, you put that back on, then the caliper. Caliper back on. Again, if you can see it, these Allen bolts, top and bottom, are what hold the actual caliper back on. GoPros are cool cameras, but they're shit batteries. Okay, so that is it. I'm gonna pop the wheel back on this side. I'm gonna do the other side, so I'm not gonna bore you with doing the whole other side of the car. But anyways, I wanna thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comment below. I'll try to answer it. And if I can't answer it, I'll make up an answer for you. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this content, and we'll see you on the next one.